Ever wondered why an application crashes sometimes? So that's where performance testing comes into picture. Before I start explaining what performance testing is, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get regular updates. Performance testing is a type of software testing that checks how fast, stable and scalable an application is under certain load conditions. There are 5 types of performance testing. First one is load testing, stress testing, spike testing, endurance testing and scalability testing. The first one is load testing. So load testing checks system behavior under expected load condition. For example, 500 users accessing the same app at the same time. Second one is stress testing, which is checking the system behavior beyond the threshold. For example, 10,000 users accessing an app at the same time. Third one is spike testing, which is sudden increase or decrease in the number of users. For example, during the Amazon sale, there are multiple number of users that are increased at the same time. Fourth one is endurance testing, which checks the app usage for long hours. For example, if you are using an app continuously for 24 hours, so how does it behave? Fifth one is scalability testing, so which checks the system behavior with the increasing number of users. So these are the 5 types of performance testing. Performance testing helps us analyze very important things like response time, how fast an application is. Second one is throughput, request handled per second, and the CPU and memory utilization, that is the resource consumption. And the fourth one is error failures. And also why it is important, because it prevents the app crashes, it enhances user experience, it helps us handle the real world traffic, and also it improves the system stability. And there are tools that are used to execute performance testing like JMeter and LoadRunner.